The flare is flaring, baby. The thigh's gonna eat them up every single time. It definitely got me with the price, being that these were $25.99. And y'all already know I couldn't leave Amazon without picking up a Scrunch bum short. I can't have my legs looking like a sausage, okay? Ain't no unibutt with Sunzel. The stitching just looks insane. Hey you guys, welcome back to my fitness YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lachey, aka your virtual fitness bestie. Today I'm coming at you girls with a fun Amazon activewear review. I am so interested to see if this is better than our favorite activewear brands. So we're gonna try on some leggings and some shorts, some tops in today's video. Super affordable stuff. I'm gonna go through all the details and the sizing in the description box below. So if you guys are interested in more activewear reviews, fitness content, fitness related videos like grocery hauls, workouts, fitness days in my life, definitely subscribe to my channel because I have so many cool videos like this on the way. So big thank you to our sponsor of today's video, which is Sunzel on Amazon. They also were so sweet enough to give you guys a code to shop and save 10%. So if you guys use the code 10AKDoll, you guys will be able to save on your order. I'm really excited because I got some flared leggings, some bikers, some basics and essentials for every gym girly. Let's see what we got. So I think these are, I have some notes because I wanted to touch on the prices of everything and like the sizes that were available. These are biker shorts. I definitely remember seeing these. And this is my first impression on like everything, and it's definitely a brushed, buttery soft fabric, and it's pretty thick. It's also got some stretch in there, which is nice. We're gonna be able to try them on, and I'll show you girls if it is thick thigh friendly. And as far as sizing, if I would recommend staying true to size, sizing up, or possibly even sizing down. So this is in the color beige. I really like that these are high-waisted and there's no front seam. I love when I see or I try a new activewear brand and they're actually like on trend with the fact that we don't want a front seam down there. Like, I cannot wear a front seam legging and it's not comfortable for me. I find it to be less flattering. So I love whenever I see things like this that they just avoid the front seam, but they do have a seam down the back to add some separation. I also like that this has like a dip down seam, so it's not going to cut off the glutes. It definitely is more flattering for the glutes. These have an 8-inch inseam. I got mine in the color beige, and they do come in 11 different colors, and they range from extra small all the way to 3X, which is really nice. And then the composition of this material for these leggings that are very brushed and buttery, a little bit of a stretch in there, is 70% nylon and 30% spandex. So I feel like this type of material would be good for athleisure, also doing low impact workouts. You could also use these for like an upper body day. I personally don't like to work out in like a brushed fabric like this when it comes to like doing lower body leg exercises, but this material is giving very luxe, and oh, I'm gonna like wear this and run a Target and like go grocery shopping and do what I need to do because it's very comfortable. I'm definitely interested to see how this fits when we try it on, because looking at the waistband, it's definitely a little tapered, so I'm expecting it to kind of snatch me in. And this type of waistband is the same material as the legging itself, right? So I'm not expecting it to be high compression, but I do expect it to kind of hold me in a little bit and have that tummy control, since it is a bit of a wider waistband with this seam being so low. And seeing how this will fit someone like me that has a shorter torso, so I might have to fold it over like this. So these are the bikers that I wanted to touch on first, and I'm really liking this color. I think it's just great for every day. Like these light neutrals, love them. yeah, these are the black flared leggings, and these ones I got in a 34-inch inseam, and I believe I ordered these in a size small, and they also come in extra small all the way to extra extra large, and these ones do have pockets on them. So I'll put all the links and the details in the description box for you guys. They also have a wrap kind of cross waistband. So we'll see how that fits, being that they are high-waisted and how high up they come on my torso, because I have no torso. So sometimes it just will look ridiculous when you have a cross waist, because it's not like a regular legging that you can kind of fold over. It kind of is what it is, but I really appreciated the fact that they had options for the long leg girls like myself. These with the 34-inch inseam is everything. It is a very slick performance feel, so they're not like a brushed Nubray from like Buff Bunny type of material. It's definitely like a sweat wicking, thinner, athletic type of yoga pant, so very breathable. I think for the warmer seasons you could definitely get away with wearing these for like errands or something like that. In fact, these might be good for errands because of the pocket size. So I think I'm obsessed with these simply because the length, baby, it's like touching the floor. So even with like sneakers, it's even better. And given that I have a shorter torso, like I just find the cross waist to be perfect. So imagine it with like the black ribbed cami that I had on. Super cute, and the back is pretty flattering too. The inseams are also available in 30 inches, 32 inches, and 34 inches, which is why I went ahead and copped the 34-inch inseam, the longest that's available, so that I can finally try a flare legging that is long enough and hopefully is like on the ground, because I'm tired of like these brands coming out with super cute flare leggings and like yoga pants, but every time I try them and order them, baby, I have high waters, and that is just not acceptable. Like, it's 2023, give us options. We're not all short and petite girlies out here. So I really love that off the bat, and as mentioned, they have pockets on this side, so these would be like, in my mind, the most ideal for like athleisure or like lounging around the house or doing something low impact like walking your dog, and you want to just bring your phone with you, you know, and you want to have a place to kind of put those things instead of having a bag. I don't weight lift with pocket like leggings. First of all, I have no reason to have my phone attached to me. Like, I always have a gym bag, and with weights, I don't want to risk, you know, dropping like a barbell on my phone when I'm doing hip thrusts. Like, it just doesn't make sense for me and the way that I work out, but everybody works out so differently. So if you are someone that likes to do like Soul Cycle or something like that, cardio, and you just want to walk into the gym and you don't need anything else, that would be great. And then for the flare is flaring, baby. We have a nice wide flared leg, and this material is, it's thin, but it's stretchy. Y'all see that? Super stretchy, and it is like a, I wouldn't say it's a brushed fabric, it's definitely a very sweat wicking material, and this one is made out of 80% nylon and 20% spandex, so that makes a lot of sense to me as to the stretchiness of this. But you guys will be able to see how this fits me when it's on. These are the Sunzel Frida tank tops, and they came in a set, which I love Amazon when they come in like a value pack, because these were only $29.99, and they are 14 different color options available on the Amazon site, and they come in multiple sizes, meaning extra small / small, then you get the large / extra large, so you're getting 2 sizes for 1 piece. So for that reason, I went with the extra small / small. So just keep that in mind whenever you're shopping. Go over the sizing chart, and I'll definitely let you guys know how these fit on me. And these are described to be a ribbed cami, so I don't know if these are supposed to be like in replacement of a sports bra. However, I think they're super cute just to wear as athleisure or loungewear. Pair them with sweatpants, your leggings, and it's a vibe, because there is no support to this, right? So if you are looking for something more supportive in that sense, and maybe you do want to use it as a workout top, go with your smaller size and or size down for a tighter, more compressed fit. And it is a long lined little tank top. I feel like it's still cropped, but because I have no torso, it's going to be fairly long on me in the sense that it might meet the top of the waistband of my leggings. And I really like how stretchy this one is. So like I said, it's made out of nylon 90% and then 10% spandex, so very stretchy. And I feel like, again, with sizing, you could be in between. It's very much so forgiving. So this pack that I got came in black. I got like the neutral one, this like off-white, I would say it's like a bone type of a color, and then this really pretty powdery blue. So I feel like these are just such nice basics, and they have so many different cute set options and packs with like all black if that's your thing and you just want to have these as basics. These are super cute, I would say, outside the gym more so than like inside the gym. And y'all already know I couldn't leave Amazon without picking up a Scrunch bum short, because after all, like, it's just, you've got to test them out, you've got to find the right ones, you guys. So these are what they look like off the bat. It's giving pretty short. I really liked this color. It's an olive shade and it's like an animal print. This one came in like 15 different color options, and for sizing it comes in extra small all the way up to extra large, and the inseam is 5 inches. I personally prefer at least like a 6, pretty much 7-inch inseam. I'm just a biker shorts girl because I can't be bothered with like adjusting my shorts and pulling them out of the thick thighs, because baby, the thighs gonna eat them up. The thighs gonna eat them up every single time. So I just prefer a longer inseam, but I wanted to try out some shorter length options for you guys and let you guys know how they look, how they fit, and the length and all that kind of stuff. As far as the fabric, it's a really nice like knitted type of legging. Think of like a Gymshark, Adapt, or I want to say like comparable to Navigation. However, I've never tried Navigation before, and these do have a 3-tier waistband similar to like an Alphalete Amplify. It's gonna be kind of hard to tell, but it's ribbed, so I'm expecting to have some good tummy control and compression. These I got in a size medium, so I did end up sizing up, so we'll see how that fits me. And then the Scrunch looks like a really nice scrunch. It's fairly thin and it looks very similar to Alphalete's Amplify, and it has 4 rows of stitching, and I really like this dip down on the waistband in the back. I feel like it's definitely going to add some curvature to the glutes and make them look a little bit more lifted and plump. So these come in 15 different color options if I didn't already say that, and these are like $25.99 on Amazon, and with the code 10AK doll baby, that's 10% off. So I think these are super cute. I wonder if they come in like a biker short length, because I would totally wear those for like a lifting day. That material is nice in the sense that I would definitely do and train lower body, squat proof, all that type of thing, squatting and everything else. And it's very stretchy and it'll stretch with you. It's not like stiff. So if you got thick thighs, I always like to make sure that they are stretchy at this seam here and that the stitching isn't stiff and like restrictive, because if that's the case, I can't wear them. I can't have my legs looking like a sausage, okay? So I really like how stretchy these are, and so for that, I do feel like you could size down or go with your true size or your smaller size because it will stretch. And of course, I had to go ahead and get another short for you guys. These ones are 4-inch. Baby, these are 4-inch short, but how beautiful is this nice olive tone? These are the Sunzel Softmax crossover shorts. These I got in a size medium as well. These are made out of 70% nylon and 30% spandex. These are very buttery and brushed. Feels like a nice sweat wicking material as well. Extremely soft. Baby, these are short shorts. Like, here's the gusset. You don't even have a full inch. This is the base of the gusset, baby. That's too short for me personally, but I know there's some shorter, more petite girlies out there that love a good short short. So these ones also have the wrap waist, and I really like that these ones also don't have a front seam on them, and they do have the dip down seam at the top of the glutes as well as a seam to separate the glutes. So ain't no unibutt with Sunzel, so we can appreciate that. They just need to get on board with not having any more freaking front seams, and I think I will be like way more impressed with that. So I think these would be like good lounging at home type of shorts, low impact workouts, yoga, Pilates, that type of a thing, because it is very buttery smooth. I would compare these to being like the same material as the Nubre from Buff Bunny, if you guys are familiar with the way that those feel. Very luxe, and for the price, it definitely got me with the price, being that these were $25.99. So definitely giving high quality. I like activewear that is solid color because I feel like it makes it, one, look more luxurious, two, you can mix it and match it with literally anything that you already own at home, and it's more timeless. It's going to be that thing that you always reach for because it's that basic that you won't get tired of. So I love the fact that these are such great staple activewear pieces, and they are very high quality, and the stitching just looks insane. No noticeable branding, so I also really like that as well. Some people don't want to have like a big logo on the back of something and make it known what they're wearing, and then the waistband is also tapered in, so I definitely am interested to see how that fits as well. So overall, first impressions, these are a yes for me. However, they are extremely short, so it just depends on what length you are most comfortable with, and again, they're very stretchy. Thick thigh friendly, baby. We love to see it. So that is everything that I picked up from Amazon, and just trying out some of their activewear pieces and what they have to offer. So if you guys liked any of these items, definitely let me know which was your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to head down to the description box so you guys can check these out on Amazon, and be sure to use the code 10AKDoll at checkout so you guys can save off of your order 10%. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!